Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 26th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, yesterday I was saying to keep an eye on this 123 level. Definitely could have been an area where it broke structure to the downside, but it never did break structure. Every single one of these little swing lows right here are all higher highs, higher lows. The problem with thinking that this is going to go down, which I still think that it could because it looks like a possible A, W, X, Y, or B, and then down for a C. The problem with that analysis is that the weekly and the daily time frames are definitely in an uptrend. So the problem is that it could easily keep on going up, which is why I would be doing nothing but looking for longs in an uptrend still. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, just little pullbacks and not really good opportunities unless you're on a much shorter time frame. I mean, if it goes down and starts giving us some big breaks of structure, then hell yeah, I definitely will start looking for shorts at that point. But unless that happens, which my most recent structure is way down here, unless it breaks that low right there, I am definitely looking for longs all the way. Anything I see to the downside, I would definitely assume is nothing more than a pullback within the uptrend, unless we get this significant break of structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.